Welcome to Nucleus. You can have everything you need to run your group programs all in one place. Manage everything from your members and groups to meetings and goals with chat that persists throughout the experience. Nucleus is built for professionals that want to build their brand and make an impact by delivering results to their customers. There are 5 key components that make up a Nucleus organization. Messages is where your members can talk to each other using public or private channels and direct messages. This is the same channel that is found on the group page and used in virtual meetings on the Nucleus platform. All your upcoming meetings across your groups are shown in one place. You can make a custom agenda that includes time segments. In the active meeting room, everyone can view the agenda, goals, and meeting notes. A past meeting history view shows everything that was shared during the meeting. Individuals can see all of their goals. This allows them to see what's upcoming, as well as hold other members accountable for meeting their commitments. Get visibility into all their groups in the organization. It's a gateway to the individual groups so they can check in on participation and ensure that groups are engaged. The members page is your organization's directory of users. From here you can access anyone's profile, which includes their groups, goals, and bio. We built Nucleus for you to build your coaching and mastermind business, and we included the option to add your own branding and use custom domains for this very reason. That's a quick overview of all the key features of Nucleus. Start building your Nucleus and centralize your group programs.